Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Tom. So I asked ChatGPT, "Should kids get life insurance?" And let's see what they say. In most cases, children do not need life insurance. Life insurance is typically used to replace lost income, cover debts, or provide for dependents after a person's death. Since children generally do not earn an income or have financial dependence, life insurance for them is often unnecessary. Okay, I guess that's true, but if the kid has a whole life insurance policy that's growing and is receiving dividends, it could be useful in that person's future. And obviously, we want our kids to grow up and have their own families. And if they're having their own families, then they do have dependents. So the point is just to get them life insurance. And I always urge my clients to get whole life insurance for the cash value. Not that that's going to be a ton of money, but at least it's something for the future. And not only that, they have the life insurance just in case something happens to them and their health. Okay, let's read on. When might life insurance for a child make sense? There are a few specific cases where it could be beneficial, covering funeral expenses, while rare life insurance could help with the unexpected cost of a child's funeral and related expenses. Okay, that's not the reason I push for life insurance for the kids, but obviously that I can't argue with that. And if God forbid something happened to a child, the parents probably would need to take some time off, and that might go unpaid. So I guess I can make that argument too. Locking in insurability: if there is a family history of serious medical conditions, getting a policy early may ensure the child has access to coverage later in life, even if they develop health issues. I couldn't agree more with that. Cash value growth: some whole life insurance policies accumulate cash value over time, which could be borrowed against or used for future expenses. They use an example: education. However, other investment options often offer better returns. I can't argue with that. Either way, yes, I like the cash value, and for future expenses, education. A whole life insurance policy for your kid, even if the kid is only 14 days old, unless it's an enormous policy, which typically doesn't happen with kids, is not going to pay for that kid's college education. Well, unless you know it's paying maybe for a semester or some books. It's not that big a deal. I wouldn't sell it because of that. However, other investment options often offer better returns. Yeah, if you're going to save for the kids' education, every state, including our state of New York, has 529s available. So you can always take a look at that, and that would be you can go on the website mysaves.org. It's the website for 529s. Actually, they mention 529s here. Savings and investment accounts: a 529 savings plan or custodial investment account may offer better financial benefits for a child's future. Life insurance is not supposed to be sold as an investment. Whole life insurance typically gets dividends, but we're not supposed to sell it as an investment. That's a separate thing. Term insurance for parents. Parents should prioritize their own life insurance to protect their children's financial security. Yes, absolutely. If you don't have enough insurance and you're thinking about getting your kid insurance, I'd recommend you get your own insurance before you get the kids' insurance. In summary, while life insurance for kids is not generally necessary, it may be useful in specific situations. It's often better to focus on financial planning tools that provide more tangible long-term benefits. I don't know if I agree with that. I think it's a nice mix. Maybe do some investments for your kids, but also getting a life insurance plan. As long as you have the proper amount of insurance, I don't think it's a bad idea. But that's me. Okay, so if you have any questions about this, feel free to call or text me. My contact information will be down in the description. I hope you give me a thumbs up if you found some value in this video. And I hope you subscribe. And if you know anybody that might benefit from watching this video or a conversation with me in general, feel free to share my contact information. Hope you all have a great day and be safe.